Hey folks, Luke Margolis from Atlantic Health System. Excited to be joined by Dr. Stephen Sheris. He is the Chief Physician Executive for Atlantic Health System and the President of Atlantic Medical Group. Good to see you, sir.
Hi, Luke.
So as it relates to the spread of COVID-19, the Omicron variant specifically, excited to say that things are very much trending in the right direction. What's the news from across our system?
So we're recording this on February 1st, 2022. So as I'm sure everybody's aware, we're on the downside of this particular surge. The case numbers are falling, and proportionally the number of patients in our hospitals are falling as well. So we are rebalancing and retrenching and trying to get everybody boosted so that they can protect themselves against getting infected with COVID-19.
That's a really great point. We've been offering boosters for quite some time now. What is the latest as it relates to how many doses people should be expecting? And that question about a third dose, what does that mean for most folks?
Yeah, the definition of completely vaccinated has changed now. That's to include the third or the booster dose for most people. People who have had the mRNA vaccines, that's the Pfizer and the Moderna vaccines, should be getting a third dose if they've been 5 months after their primary series. If they got J&J, it should be 2 months after that one and only J&J shot to be fully protected. That's really important because it's the booster shot that keeps you out of the hospital and keeps you alive in this phase of the pandemic. So we can't overemphasize the importance enough.
So, I mean, crucial information and certainly a lot of important information available in a number of different areas. As it relates to where people should be turning for the most important information, what do you suggest?
Well, we update this website all the time, and it has all the information that people need about vaccinations and testing. Enables you to schedule a test, schedule a vaccine at a time that's convenient for you. So it's one-stop shopping on atlantichealth.org/COVID-19. That's your single source of truth for everything that's happening. And again, it's updated regularly, so we're trying to provide that information that people need so that they keep themselves healthy and their families safe as well. I will say that what we have learned in the 2 years of this pandemic is that the truth is that science evolves over time. People have interpreted that as confusion. It's not. It's that layering of knowledge that gives us the tools to provide the right information at the right time, depending upon the pace of the pandemic.
Well said, Dr. Sheris. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you, Luke.
All right, folks, stay with us. We'll see you soon.